Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about TCS Smart Hiring Drive 2021. If you want to read about the details on your own regarding this hiring positions, you can check the link which is provided in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to our website and get all of the details at one place itself. Don't forget to join us to Telegram because you will get regular job updates. Link is provided in the description box and join our Telegram channel freshest now. All of the graduates of 2020, 2021 and 2022 are eligible to apply for this hiring positions. Now let us look into the details. The registration end date is going to be on 2nd of November 2021 and test date is going to be from 19th of November 2021 onwards, so it is not exactly on 19. So dates will be further announced and confirmation will be given. The interview date also is not yet released, so it will be further announced later. Now, if you want to register, you can click on it. We'll see the process later. Now, about TCS Smart Hiring, you can see it is exclusive for BCA, BSc, Math, Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics, Biochemistry, Computer Science, IT, or BWOC in CS, IT for the passing out years of 2020 to if you are even passed out in 2022, even then you are eligible to apply for this. Students who perform exceptionally during this hiring selection process, you can join the TCS Ignite, TCS Unique Science to Software program, and this program will train you in various trending technologies and also it will give you a doorway for the IT career. Next, the test eligibility. You can see the application process for this. It's going to be step 1 is first you have to log into the portal, and the portal you can click here. Then you have to register and apply for TCS Smart Hiring process, and then you have scenario A and B, and then you have registered user. You can also directly log in and then you can apply for Drive. And if you are a new user, you have to register and then you have to log in and then you have to start your application process. And step 3 is you have to select your mode of test, in center or remote, and then you have to apply for that particular thing which you have selected for and confirm your status or track your application, which will reflect whatever the drive you have applied for. Next is important notes. Make sure you are having all of the original documents right from your semesters as well, and communication related to the test will be shared with you through TCS Ion, and test mode once selected for the applied for the drive cannot be changed later, so select properly. And TCS does not send any job offers or any unofficial emails like Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail, anything like that. Any unofficial emails will not be sent to the candidate, so please be aware of that. And TCS does not request any candidate to deposit any money. Okay, you just have to register, log in, apply, only this process. Next, TCS is not associated with any of the external agencies, so if you are contacted with any of the agencies, make sure that you are identifying that as a fraud. So if you want any help or if you need any sort of assistance, help desk team will be always available for you, so you can contact them through email or you can directly ring them up. Now let us look into the application process as I've mentioned. So once if you click here, you will be redirected to another page which is this. So as you can see, you can register now. So if you are already a registered user in TCS, you can directly log in, or if you are a new user, if you are coming new to this particular portal, you can first register here and then you will be taken up to IT sector and BPS. So you click on it, you will be then redirected to this page which is fill in all of the details, your title, your first name, then your middle name, and then you have to type your surname, then your date of birth, then gender. Put in a valid email ID. It is very important because further confirmations will be given to this email ID, and also valid email number. Make sure you are not leaving any column empty. It will directly show you can't leave this empty, so make sure you're putting valid email ID. Institute name, the qualification that you have, year of passing, your nearest test location. You can select your own locations. So as you can see, there are various locations for taking up the test. So you can take Delhi and then enter the password. and as per the TCS password policy, which means the criteria is given, you have to add this particular numbers, characteristics, all of that. Read this, and at least one number should be added, and all of that. So I read this and then enter the password, re-enter the password, select any security questions, what is your pet name or any postal, and you have to give your answer to that, and then type the characters here. You can submit. So if you leave any column empty, it will show a red column like this. You can't leave anything empty, and then only if you fill all the boxes clearly, then you can submit it finally. If you have any queries, place them in the comment section. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.